All right, guys, if you want to know how to make these delicious protein cookies, you're going to want to watch the rest of this. All right, guys, we did it again. This time we have done Crumbl's famous pink frosting cookie. Oh, sugar cookie, excuse me. And it's protein style. Let's give it a try. Oh. Guys, if you want more delicious recipes, definitely don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.